If you aren't using these 5 AI tools in 2026, you are working way too hard. These feel almost illegal to know.
First up is Perplexity. Remember the old way? Spending hours digging through Google links and reading endless articles? Perplexity is like a genius friend who reads the entire internet for you and just gives you the answer. Next is Gamma. We've all been there, staring at a blank slide deck at midnight, having no idea where to start. Just type a topic into Gamma, and it builds the entire presentation, slides, text, and images in seconds.
Number 3 is Notion AI. If your life looks like a mess of sticky notes and scattered to-do lists, listen up.
Notion AI takes your scattered thoughts and instantly turns them into actionable plans and organized databases.
Fourth is Midjourney. You used to need decades of practice to create art. If you can't draw, you were stuck.
And describe a picture, and it paints it pixel perfectly. It is the ultimate creative cheat code for thumbnails.
Finally, ChatGPT. But not for chatting. Most people stare at errors for hours trying to fix one line of code. Use it to debug instantly, rewrite emails, or learn a new skill. It's the engine for everything we just talked about. Perplexity, Gamma, Notion, Midjourney, and ChatGPT. That is your toolkit for total digital domination. Which one saves you the most time? Comment below and subscribe so you don't miss the next leak.